how's it going, guys? Today, I will show you how to quickly reset the oil change light on a 2011 to 2023 Chrysler 300. It's really easy to change the oil and reset the system on this car. It's a great do-it-yourself job if you want to save a little money and save a little time and avoid going to the workshop or wherever you go to change your oil. So let's start the reset procedure. In this section, I'll show you how to reset the oil life by using the gas pedal method. This will also work on many other Chrysler vehicles. So here's what you need to do. Step 1. Push the start button 2 times without pressing the brake pedal. Step 2. Hit the gas pedal 3 times all the way to the floor, and that's going to reset the oil life. Once you're done with that, you can go ahead to start your car and verify that that light went off. If it is not reset, you can repeat it or try this second method. For the 2016 to 2023 Chrysler 300, the oil life system can also be reset using the menu on the cluster and the buttons on the left side of the steering wheel. So let me do that right now. Step 1. Press the start button twice without pressing the brake pedal. Step 2. Use the down button to scroll down until you get to the vehicle info menu. Step 3. After that, we're going to scroll over to the right until you get the oil life. Step 4. To reset it, we're going to push and hold OK, so then your oil life is set to 100%. So there it is, and jobs are all done. I hope this helps you out. If you want to see any other types of car videos, leave them in the comment section down below, and I will try and get to it. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.